Advanced English Vocabulary, brought to you by Idioms Online. Ad hoc. Ad hoc. Ad hoc is a borrowed Latin phrase commonly used in English. In Latin, it literally means "to this." Ad hoc in English is an adjective that is used to describe something that is not planned in advance, but instead is intended solely for a particular purpose or situation without it being applicable to any wider purpose. When something is ad hoc, it is created or conceived for one specific purpose. Things that are ad hoc are improvised or created on the spot as a reaction to what happens. Ad hoc can also be used as an adverb, and as well, it is often used in phrases like ad hoc basis and ad hoc solutions. For example, we deal with problems on an ad hoc basis. These ad hoc solutions are only band-aids. We need to start planning in advance to deal with these weather emergencies more efficiently. More examples of how to use ad hoc in a sentence. The neighborhood residents formed an ad hoc safety patrol in response to the recent crime wave. We used the school gymnasium as an ad hoc polling location. The stadium can be used as an ad hoc shelter during the hurricane.